Not long after Americans started to take off the masks, the CDC is now recommending to put them back on.
The decision to revise some mask recommendations comes amid a nationwide rise in cases caused by the Delta variant. The CDC now says all Americans, regardless of vaccination status, should resume wearing face coverings while indoors, especially if they live in areas where cases are surging. Here in San Diego County, we are considered an area with high or substantial virus transmission. The agency also shifted from its previous stance on masking in schools and now advises universal masking for all students, teachers, and staff at K-12 schools. Now, the Biden administration today explained the reasoning behind the CDC's move.
And the reality is we are dealing with a much different strain of this virus than we were even earlier in the spring, back in May, when the masking guidance was provided by the CDC at that time. That is their job. Their job is to look at evolving information, evolving data, an evolving historic pandemic, and provide guidance to the American public.
Well, Fox 5's Jamie Chambers spoke to one of our local supervisors about the new recommendation and joins us live now from the Embarcadero. Jamie.
Yeah, guys, it's certainly not welcome news that the masks very well could be coming back on. Not official from the county supervisors just yet, but for even vaccinated people in indoor settings of high risk, they are saying, according to the CDC, to start wearing those masks once again. The CDC's new mask recommendations have already been slowly creeping back into daily life.
In areas with substantial and high transmission, CDC recommends fully vaccinated people wear masks in public indoor settings to help prevent the spread of the Delta variant and protect others.
County Supervisor Nora Vargas says the health department is in the process of understanding what these new guidelines mean for San Diego.
We're in the process of figuring out what the next steps are. But I think it's important to remind everyone that this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. And so we want people who have not been vaccinated to get their vaccine. We are seeing any of the data that we're seeing on folks who have received COVID are people who haven't been vaccinated.
The new CDC mask guidelines stress wearing masks indoors or in areas in the country where the Delta variant is widespread. How that is interpreted in San Diego is also under review.
We can have all the conversations we want about people using their masks, following the CDC guidelines, but the truth is we need people to get vaccinated who are not vaccinated.
Supervisor Vargas says her administration is focused on safety.
I think we're going to follow the guidelines and we're going to do what the CDC says. And so if right now the CDC says that we need to wear a mask, we'll be wearing masks.
Now, supervisors haven't come up with any sort of official guidelines for San Diego County. The big questions, will it be mandatory indoors? Will it be recommended? Everyone's still waiting to see what the county health officials come up with next. That's the very latest from the waterfront, downtown. Jamie Chambers, Fox 5 News.
A lot of details still to be worked out there. Jamie, thank you.